In this video, we will understand how you can set up basic automation. To set up basic automation, you just need to go to this automation button and then click on Basic Automations. Now here, as you can see, there are these three options available. But if you're on the starter plan, only out-of-office message and welcome message is available for you. For growth and advanced plan users, delayed response message is available. So to set up the out-of-office message, first you need to set up your working hours. So to set up your working hours, you just click on the pencil icon here and type the schedule. If your working hours are Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., you can just add it. If you don't work on any of the days, you can just delete it. If you want to add any other day, you can just add it. Now, once everything is done, you can just save this. Now, let's see how you can set up out-of-office message. If you click on the edit icon here, you can set up the message whatever you want to send to your customers who are messaging you out of your working hours. That means whatever working hours that you have set, based on that, this message is going to work. If someone messages you out after 7 p.m. or before 10 a.m., then this particular message is going to be triggered. Now, you have multiple button options, but if you are on a starter plan, you won't be able to use any of this. Once this is done, you can just enable it. After you enable it, this message is going to be triggered to customers whoever message you out of your working hours. Then, there's welcome message. Same way, if you want to add the welcome message, you just have to click on the pencil icon here and type the message that you want. You can type whatever message you want, and then, if you want, you can choose the options here. Again, if you're on starter plan, you won't be able to utilize those options. So once this is done, you can just click on Save. We have one more option here that is sent along with out-of-office message, okay? Means what it says, if you select Yes, if the customer messages you for the first time in 24 hours, the welcome message is getting triggered. But if the customer messages you out of your working hours for the first time in 24 hours, the welcome message will be triggered as well as the out-of-office message will be triggered. If you want that, then you can select Yes. If you don't want that, you can select No. It totally depends on you.